Hello everyone! Welcome to another video on packaging design. In this video, I will teach you how you can represent your design on a 3D mockup before final printing. In my previous videos, we have used Adobe Illustrator for this purpose. But in this video, we will use an online website to showcase our design. Let's get started. First of all, we will save our design in a PDF format. Press Shift+0 and resize the artboard. Now select the rectangle tool and drag the rectangle. Change its color similar to that of the design. Send this rectangle to the back and bring the design to the front. We will use this website for a 3D mockup. Go to the Products menu and choose this option. Now click here. Go to the box templates. Here you can see all types of packaging design templates. Select this option. Now look for a template similar to the die line that we have created. So this template looks similar. We can adjust our design according to this one. We will move this barcode here to make it similar to the template. Now adjust it. Select the die line and ungroup it. Select this flap and choose similar to this one. And delete them. Save this design in a PDF format. Select this option and save it. Go to this website page. Choose the units and put the dimensions of this box. Click on this button to run it. Now select this artwork option. Import your design by clicking on this button. Adjust your design in the die line. Now click on this 3D option. Here you can see the magic. Click on this button to see the final mockup. You can also change the background color as well. That looks awesome. That's all for this video. Don't forget to check out my website for freelancing services and discounts. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment box. See you in my next video with more exciting stuff.